Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the start-stop function on a Skoda Fabia Mk3. I got a Skoda Fabia Mk3 2016 Monte Carlo edition, and I got myself one of these on aliexpress, a start-stop shut-off, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So essentially, when I start the engine normally without the module installed, so if I start it, the start stop button is not glowing. So every time I start the engine, because I hate the start stop system, what I have to do is press this button. Once it's orange, it means that the start-stop system has been deactivated, but I have to do that every single time. So just quickly, I'm going to show you how to install the module. It's about £10, £10 to £12 on AliExpress. It's just a simple connector. Right, so shut off the engine. Okay, locate your headlight switch, press down hard, twist it clockwise about 2 centimeters, pull the whole module out. Okay, so it's dangling like that. Grab 2 fingers. I know it looks a bit weird, but 2 fingers into the hole itself, and with some force pop the top module out, and there you have it. You have this cable. Just gently pry it away. So yeah, so once it's out of the casing, you should see that my stop-start button has been removed, and what's exposed now is that connector, which should fit perfectly here. Okay, so all we have to do is plug this in. Okay, once it's plugged in on that end, we need to plug these 2 ends together, like so, all plugged in nice and neat. Put the extra wiring into the back and push it down, so. Okay, put this module back in. Make sure the 0 is at 12 o'clock position. Okay, now that's installed, start the ignition, and you see it automatically turns on, meaning stop start has been deactivated on the Skoda Fabia Mk3. Alright, thank you.